Hypnotists, do you ever hypnotize groups or do recordings for your clients or sell recordings on your website? Or do you want to do freestyle hypnosis, completely scriptless for any issue every time? I'm Karen Hand, and I want to help you up-level your skills. Join me August 23rd for a 4-hour workshop, Magically Hypnotic Script Writing. It'll be on Zoom from noon to 4 Central Time, and you'll get everything you need to know from guided visualization to metaphor use to completely scriptless freestyle hypnosis, all in just 4 hours. Join me and enhance your business instantly. August 23rd, replays will be available. It's the Magically Hypnotic Script Writing Workshop, and all of the details are here. Register now. I'll see you on the 23rd.